Today we have here my backyard and Baba's backyard. We have cherries here. Let's go, guys.
So Lucas is there with the plants. Lucas, come here. We will get some cherries. Now, the cherries now are starting to get red. Red already. So this is our cherries update. So it's so low. Yeah, Sophia can just pick it up, and Lucas also. So a few days ago it's not yet so red. Now it's getting red. Here, Lucas, get here, baby. Fast. Spider web. Yeah. Come na. And these are the boxes of the strawberries. We get some the other day, a lot. Here we have some again. So every day you can get some pieces. Oh, baby, here. Try. Show mommy. Show mommy. Oh, Doy, you put everything in your mouth. What's that, Lucas? Why? Be careful, okay? Bite it well. And Sophia, show me. Eat one. Show me. See? So red. Start to get red already. Lucas, come here. Oh, get here. Here. Here, down here. Oh, very low. Come. Yeah, here. Oh, very low. Lucas can just pick it up. Get one. Get. Yes. Show mommy. Oh, but remove the seeds, huh? Don't eat the seeds. Dobre? Good boy.
It's turkey. No,
You put to the container. Okay.
But Baba said this one he will to put.
Okay, but it will make red your shirt. So still we have strawberries here.
Oh my gosh, Lucas.
And even our Baba, my mom-in-law.
When you squeeze, this one needs to be wet.
Yes, so don't put there. I told you put to the container. So mommy made.
Container.
Yeah, we'll get. Mommy made already. I'll show you later. Mommy made some sweets from strawberries. And these are the cherries. You cannot see from far. But see.
Hey guys.
Yes.
Look. Yummy.
Show Mimi. Show mommy. So yummy. Yeah. So sunny day today. Still these peaches still not ripe. They're still green. Plums also still green, and pears, and these walnuts also. So they're still green. Ayun. Si Marek umakyat. Umakyat na siya para kumuha nung. Kasi nasa taas yung mga pula. Si Mami din dito. So from this viewpoint, you can see. You can see all the cherries from the tree. It's very low. Some are red already. Some are still not that red. So this is our life here in Slovakia. It's a blessing to be in a good land. Okay. One branch full of cherries.
Which one is red?
Check which one is red and get.
I'm not gonna get.
Yeah, as long as it's red.
No.
You can.
Not red.
You can get red. See here.
This?
Here, oh, here. This, oh.
Give me. We need a lot, not to eat.
So a lot. This year is a lot. Last year, see, very low. Ayan lang sa baba. These wild berries are still green. After some time, it will be all red. It's also, but it's sour. Not like cherries. It's sweet. So the neighbor, see, the neighbor also has a lot. So we have how low it is. Our neighbor is starting to cut the grass already. It will be noisy. So yan ang banding namin today. Pangunguha, harvesting cherries. Nakadalawang balde na sila. Pababaan na si Marek. Ayan, tingnan natin kay Daddy. Ayan. Meron na dito. Oh, ayan, isang balde kay Sofia. Ayan si Mami.
Ja nie wiem, czy trzeba odpłoskować. Ono by to nie trzeba.
To jest słodsze. Nie? A kłoski jechał, nie? Chodźmy.
Slowly there, Lucas, ha? Whatever Sophie do, following. Na? Ayan, punong-puno. Gagawin, kakainin yung iba gagawin nilang parang juice ba yan? Stachi. Ayan, because there's a lot of cherries. Ayan. So we cannot eat everything. We cannot eat everything with. So Mamichka and Marek, they plan to make a cherry, like, you know, cherry alcohol. I-stack nila sa drum. Ayan. Ang dami na. Yeah. A lot. Isang balde yan.
Hey!
Yes, baby. Mommy Bella. A lot. So Bella, a lot of cherries. So
Sofia, nie dawaj tam palców.
On już nie władzę, my już nas nogi boria. Ahoj Maciulka.
much? Ooh, almost full.
Nie ma.
Sofii,
Nie, baby, only Baba.
Niechaj, ja to urobimy.
Baba only.
Byś to nie dała.
Baba only.
Jaka fikoczka. Moja złota.
Where's the bird? We will see. Where's the bird?
Where's the bird? You smile, oh. Look at smile. Hi.
Lucas, Sophie. Lucas. See, it's almost full. A lot. Almost full. So now we have enough in the barrel. They will put sugar on the cherries and they will let it be fermented. Jaxie's guarding. Oh, Marek. Don't touch that one. Oh, yung Marek will burn. So, they put sugar. Marek put sugar and he keep pounding it so that the juice will go out. He's pounding it with his, like that. Mix until the juice will come out. The Marek is super. So just here, down here, see, very low. And here you can pick it up. Hey, don't go up there, Sophia. Just from here you can pick it up. Lucas, come here, oh. Get the cherries. So, dito lang. Only down. So, a lot of cherries. So, let's harvest it. Isa ito, ang ganda nito. Isang ano, isang kumpol siya. Isang kumpol. So, we're using stairs for the ladder pala, ladder. For going up. This ladder going up for the cherries which are up the tree. But here, down, we can just pick it up all. Sophia, pick up some cherries and put. Okay? See how low it is. It's yummy. See? We just brought small container because the other day Marek and Mommy, they get a lot, one big barrel, and they will ferment it. So yan guys, slowly I show you all the cherries we can get from here. See? Nagkulit si Lucas. Don't be careful there, huh? Two of you. See? Our neighbor has cherries also. So dito lang kami sa baba ni na Lucas. Only here down we will pick up the cherries. Ayan.